Come back.
Mom, birthday. Happy birthday, Mom.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl Satin, and I'm back. And today is July 2nd, which means it's my birthday. So I'm out with the fam. I got babe here. I got baby girl Lottie. Say hi, everybody. She's not thinking about it. She got her tablet. It's my birthday, and we're just out. We're gonna have like a little family day, celebrate, probably grab something to eat, and then we're going to meet my homegirl Jessica and her daughter and some of her friends at a carnival, and we're probably gonna end up going to see some fireworks after that, weather permitting, because it is sunny right now. However, it's been raining and it's supposed to rain later on today, so hopefully the weather just stays nice like this so the fireworks can happen and we can enjoy our day. But I am gonna bring y'all along as usual to see what we're doing, so I'll hit you back when we get to our destination. I'm gonna show y'all my little cutie. She's matching her mom for my birthday. Got on my little drip. And baby girl, Lonnie, say hi. Alright, so we came to the park because it's my birthday and I gotta take some cute little pictures real quick. And you see baby girl is trying to get to a puddle. So I'm trying to keep her away from that. But she's somewhat matching my swag today, her and her mom.
Huh? You can do it right here. If it can.
Stand on this?
Yes.
With you?
Yeah.
You want me to stand up here with you?
Alright, y'all, so we are out. However, it has been raining off and on since we've been out, so it kind of put a little damper on our plans to go to the fair. However, it looks like the rain has just cleared up, so we're gonna head there and see how it goes.
Wait, Noah.
I don't know. She's looking for her cousin Noah. We went to go see if he was home. He's with his dad. So we're heading to the fair now to see how it is. Hopefully we can go for a little while and not get rained out. And just like let baby girl get on some rides and stuff. So see you when we get there. What's up, everyone? It's your girl Satin. I'm back and I got baby girl. Say hey, everybody. She's chilling. She's telling y'all, look at her dad. He's coming back. He went to go get her little kite because it's a really nice day out. So we're like, you know what? We might as well hop in the car and go somewhere. Like we're in like our chill clothes, but it's like, let's just go. So we're gonna probably bring her to the park. As you see, her bike is back here. So we'll probably bring her to the park, fly her kite, and just have some quality family time. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. You having fun, baby? You riding your bike? Yeah. So we ended up coming to one of our favorite spots, which is a reservoir that's not far from our house. If you guys watched some of my previous videos, you've seen that we actually come here quite frequently. And as you see, baby girl and her dad are back here. She's riding her bike, and I'm gonna give you guys a little view of what it looks like so you can see why I love this. Got baby girl and her dad back here. She's riding her bike. We're just enjoying the weather. It's a little later in the day, so it's kind of cooling down. We're getting some of a breeze because it's been like 90 some odd degrees every single day for this last week. So that's where we're at. All right, y'all, we're a little nervous because we keep hearing thunder. I don't really see any clouds right now. The sun actually came out. We're trying not to get caught in any rain, so hopefully it just stays. But just look at this, y'all. If you can, get out, get in nature. This is one of our favorite things to do. It's good to get out, ground yourself, soak up some sun rays, get some vitamin D, and enjoy it, especially if you live in the Northeast like us, because we don't get many sunny days like this. It's very sporadic, and in, you know, the warmer months, so try to get as much of it as we can. And it's just been a really relaxing week. It was my birthday, 4th of July, all those things. I just seen a crazy lightning back there. Babe, it's lightning. So yeah, we just been kind of chilling. This is a great way to kind of end out our week here in nature. So we were able to go a little further in before it started getting dark, as y'all can see. So it looks like the rain is getting closer and closer, and it's a little bit of a hike to get back to the car. So we're actually gonna head back this way and up out of here. Got some sun. Hopefully baby girl will be nice and tired from the air and being outside. Give her a nice bath and some dinner and to bed. And y'all know I'm in the car, so that means I'm going somewhere. I got baby girl and babe here. However, they're actually dropping me off. Today I'm going to an event called Decks and Dabs. If you're in the cannabis world, today is International Dab Day. It's July 10th. So I'm actually going to an event at this place in Boston. So I'm just going to go support, represent my brand, represent the brands that I actually work for as well, and make some connections, you know, have a couple dabs, have a good time. So if I can, I'll bring you guys along, show you a little bit about the event. And yeah, I just wanted to hop on because I haven't hopped on in days and like give an update because I've been so busy lately, but getting stuff done. So yeah, I'm about to head there and I'll see you when I get there. You going to Harvard? Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Satin, and I got Lonnie. Say hey, everybody. She's eating a banana. What's that, Lonnie? Is it yummy? All right, y'all. So as you see, baby girl's in the back having her banana. I didn't check back in last night after the event, but it went well. Connections were made. It was great vibes, and I made it out in time to come put my baby to bed. Because you know mommy things come first. So yeah, we are out and about today. We're running some errands. I got my PAX glasses on that I got last night, my fanny pack from PAX. And as I said, we are headed out to... Okay, I'll give it to you. She wants her water cup. We are headed to run some errands. We have to go to the grocery store. I did a pickup, so we'll do that. And then we have to go to another grocery store. And then I'm actually going to stop by a herbal shop near me because I need some refresh on all of my herbs because I'm running low. And yeah, I'm going to bring you guys on. right, y'all. So since baby girl behaved so well at the herb shop, I told her we could stop and get ice cream. So we're at this place here called Mr. Cone, and I'm gonna grab her and ice some ice cream. So baby girl and I got our ice cream. I got myself, we got non-dairy coconut, and then we got her a strawberry soft serve non-dairies. Okay, stop, freeze. Go ahead, push it. Push it. Use your muscles. Happy birthday, dear Lonnie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Is that Dolly?
It is. Let's see. You got a caramel swirl, Dolly? Yes! What? Yeah, it's I the color pink. Happy birthday, Lonnie! It's your birthday! And you was playing with some Play-Doh? Yeah? Oh! Yeah. You want another pink? Want another pink? Those are Lonnie's.
I'm pretty sure it's Dino.
Good job.
Good job. Only 3, honey. Who are you?
I'm Lonnie.
Come
You're
over here,
Lonnie?
honey. Come over here, honey. Can I get a kiss, honey?
No, that one to not honey.
Yeah.
That's my tootie, not honey.
Okay. Mwah.
Whoa. You're gonna blow the candles out, Lonnie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lonnie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Look.
That's adorable.
It's
It looks adorable. You see?
Wow.
Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Did you say thank you?
We got you a G-Wagon.
You excited?
The happy helpers. Which piece completes the picture? So let's see. So that there you already have, right? So that's not it. That there you have. Oh, guess what? Is it B? Is it that one? That one goes there? Yep, that's the one that goes there.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl. Got Babe here, and as y'all see, we are in the car, which means we're headed somewhere. There's no baby girl. Got some boxes back there. I'm actually heading into the city, into Boston right now. Just actually coming from the whole other side of the state in Greenfield, picking up these packages because we need them for an event that I'm attending today for. It's a cannabis event. So yeah, it's been a wild morning. Our hour and 45-minute trip has turned into like a 5-hour trip. So it's fun, I guess. But yeah, when I get there, I'm going to turn the camera back on and I'll bring you guys with me.
And endearing products for the Latinos in this space, to have representation, to make sure that we reflect our ancestors, especially in this new space, which they had such a big part of. In the Caribbean, there's Panama Red, Jamaican, Lamb's Red, Colombian Gold, Acapulco Gold. Those all come from us. So it's just an absolute honor to be able to represent. Hell yeah.
We actually have access to every single source that possibly can. Oh, nice. Quantitatively, we always test.
How you doing?
Hello.
We got some uninfused edibles if you want to try some.
Finished the fishtail. You see, kind of had to put it up on the couch because baby girl's gonna come mess with it if I don't. So. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, and today is baby girl's party day, and I look crazy. I'm gonna look better in about an hour. Just give me a minute. But I'm actually running around like a chicken with my head cut off right now because I'm going to get her cake, going to get the last minute food and stuff we need. However, the woman who was making all the treats and like our little cake pops and chocolate covered strawberries and all that literally called and freaking canceled this morning, y'all. I'm not kidding. Literally this morning about 9:30 a.m. she called and canceled. So like, I legit only have the cake. I don't have any of the little side treats for the treat table that I was gonna put out or anything. So now I'm panicking. Last minute, literally had to freaking bake some cupcakes myself just to fill up some space on the table, on top of running around decorating. But the decorations came out so cute. Me and my honey powered through it as usual. We're the dream team. We get shit done. And if you guys know from like previous videos, I actually love decorating, especially for my baby girl's birthday. I'm not gonna let anything get me down. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna have my table looking the way I wanted it to, but it doesn't matter as long as she has a good time with her cousins and her friends. So I'm actually heading out to go pick up the cake and then get the rest of the food and then head back to the house. So once I get there, I will show you guys what the decor looks like. It's so cute. And once I get the table finished, I'll really show you guys. Come along with me for baby girl's birthday. All right, so as you guys can see, I've made it back home, and you see baby girl's little photo backdrop thing here. Unfortunately, I didn't get to put my balloons on it that I wanted to. And I don't think I'm gonna have time before people get here, so it is what it is. We also got our little sprinkler thing out here. Her dad's gonna finish blowing that up so the kids can run through it, have a good time with that. But I'm just gonna show you what we have so far out here. Obviously, the cake is not on the table yet just because it's super hot. Let me show you what it looks like.
Happy birthday.
Say thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lonnie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! 1, 2, 3. Look, watch your hair. Birthday, Lonnie. Can't believe you're 3. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lonnie. I hope you enjoyed.
Happy birthday, pretty girl.
Happy birthday, Lonnie.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Lonnie.
Happy birthday, Lonnie.
Happy birthday, Omani.
Happy birthday, Olani. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lonnie.
Happy birthday, Lonnie. Love you. You know I got you. You know what I'm saying? Don't even worry about it.
Happy birthday, Lonnie.
Hey, happy birthday, Lonnie. Girl, I love you.
Happy birthday, Lonnie.
Happy birthday, Lonnie.
Happy birthday, Lonnie, from your dad.
Happy birthday, my Tootie. I can't believe you are 3 years old. Mommy loves you so much. I hope you enjoyed your birthday, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together and celebrate many more birthdays. Say it's my birthday! What's up, y'all? It's your girl Satin, and we got Mira and Lonnie here, and we are currently at my dad's house. We decided to come and hop in the pool for a little dip. It's been super hot here across the country, honestly, for like the past few weeks, and we've been having like bouts of rain, and then it's like super hot and sunny. So we're like, you know what, before we get some rain, let's go over Pop's house and hop in the pool. So I got my girls here with me, and we're just having a chill pool day and relaxing. So I decided to hop on, and I was like, I might as well hop on camera and say what up to my peeps and bring you guys along for our day. Baby girl is super excited. She's been wanting to come swimming. I forgot to bring her floaty because her birthday party, her theme is actually the Little Mermaid. So she has like a cute little pearl seashell floaty or whatever to float around it with. But yes, like been super busy, and we have not actually been swimming since we came back from Barbados. So I was craving a pool day, so we're just gonna hang out here, and I'll bring you guys along for the rest of the day. Got my girl Amira, and Babe is actually at home. He's working, so he couldn't come over and swim with us, but we literally live like around the corner, so I'm sure once he logs off of work, he'll probably come and join us for a little dip in the pool for a little while. I'll bring you guys back. I have so much stuff going on for the remainder of the week. Tomorrow is my fiance's brother's baby shower, so we'll be heading into the city to go to that, and then the next day I have like some work stuff to do. I have some pop-ups and stuff like that, so I'll probably be bringing you guys along for those adventures and events as well, so you get a little clip and snippets of those. This vlog is going to be super long because it's like literally a catch up with me to see what I've been doing since y'all last heard from me, and it's been like, wow, probably like over a month and a half since I've actually, you know, put out new content and stuff like that. So I have a lot to update y'all on. Come catch me. Can you catch mama? Come get me. Come get me. Say, guys, I'm swimming. Say, I'm swimming. Okay. All right, now that's my little fish that I know. She had to get acclimated. It was a little bit too cold. The water's warming up now. You having fun?
Yeah.
You kicking? Amira's about to jump in. Olani's over there chilling. She's over it. She said the water's too cold, so she just wanted to sit in the chair. All right, Amira, ready? I am?
Calm me down.
3, 2, 1. Go! You doing your mermaid call? Out of here.